everyone! Today we're making a healthy and tasty vegetable barley soup, light, easy, and full of flavor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipes. We're adding bell pepper because it's packed with fiber, powerful antioxidants, and vitamin C, a golden combo to boost your body and immune system. We're adding onion to boost the aroma and flavor of our soup, a tasty base every cook can count on. We're adding carrot for its vibrant color, natural sweetness, and amazing benefits, rich in beta-carotene to boost vision and keep your skin glowing. We're adding potato to make our soup heartier, creamier, and more satisfying, a great source of energy, potassium, and vitamin B6. With a bit of olive oil, we saute the ingredients one by one to bring out their aroma. Oh wait guys! I almost forgot, don't forget to add mushrooms too. They're super tasty and full of nutrients. To level up the flavor, we add a pinch of turmeric, black pepper, and salt. This simple combo brings a magical touch to the soup. Now we add 2 spoons of tomato paste or puree and a piece of chicken breast for richer flavor, beautiful color, and a hearty base for our soup. We finish with fresh parsley, a fragrant herb packed with goodness. It's rich in vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants, perfect for cleansing the body and boosting the immune system. Once the chicken breast is cooked, take it out and shred it. This way it blends perfectly into the soup and makes every spoonful extra delicious. Now we add rolled oats, shredded chicken, and parsley. Then let it all simmer for another 15 minutes so the flavors blend beautifully and the soup thickens just right. And that's it, our healthy veggie barley soup is ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment to let me know what you think or what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.